Hey guys, in this video we're going to work on getting our competitor backlinks. So if you know anything about SEO, it's really good to get the backlinks that your competitors already have. So in our extremer linking strategies diagram, this corresponds to right here. It says extremer competitor backlinks blast. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So to start off, we're going to need a list of our competitors. So I want you to just open up a notepad list and try to come up with 15 of your competitors in SEO. If you can't come up with that much, that's fine, but just get as many as you can. So I'm going to go get those, pause the video, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, and right here I've got all my competitor backlinks. I basically just went to Google, looked around a little bit, some Yahoo, and just find my top 15 biggest competitors. So now once we've got these, we're going to go File, Save As, and you can save this anywhere you really want. I'm just going to go to Computer, and just to stay organized, I'm just going to save it in the hreffer folder. And I'm just going to call this competitor backlinks and enter to save. Now to go and scrape these backlinks, we're going to use a program called Scrapebox. You've probably heard of it before. It's a super great program. If you don't already have it, I really recommend you get it. Super easy to use. It's a great addition to Extremer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to add-ons up here, and we're going to go to Scrapebox Backlink Checker. And what this is going to do is this is going to take all these URLs I found and scrape all of their backlinks from the Yahoo Site Explorer. So we're going to go down to the bottom left here and choose Load URLs from, and we're going to do File on your hard disk. And we're going to find that file that we just found, that we just saved. So I'm going to go to Computer, Local Disk, hreffer, and I'm going to type in here, competitor backlinks.txt. Hit open, and you can see they're all loaded in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose Download All, and it's going to be asked where to save it, and it's going to ask us where to save it. So I'm going to go to Local Disk and hop on over to Extremer here, and we're going to go to Links. And now for our competitor blast, you can choose any ID you want, which of course you're going to record in your visual linking strategies paper that you printed out. But for this, just to keep it simple, I'm going to choose links list, list ID 11. So it's just, we used 10 last time, use 11 just to keep it simple. And when you hit save, and as you can see right here, it's downloading all of their backlinks. And there we go, 3,560 backlinks saved to disk. I'm going to hit OK. And there's one thing we have to do in Scrapebox. So I'm going to exit out of the backlink checker. Alright, so now we're going to go over to Extremer. And first of all, what we want to do is remove duplicate links. So I'm going to go up to Tools, and then Delete Duplicated Links. And we're in the Extremer Links folder, and we're going to scroll down and look for Links List ID 11. There it is. Hit Open. And after deleting links, there we go. So 31%. So we're going to hit OK. That's good because we don't want to be posting on duplicate URLs. That'll be spammy. And then also, we're going to go Tools and delete all links according to blacklist. And we're going to select that same file, links list ID 11. Hit Open. And there was 2 on the blacklist. So 2 complaints we didn't have to worry about. So now we're going to go configure our project. Now it should be the same as when you did it when we were replying to the Q&A. So everything's going to stay pretty much the same. Nick, pass, real, name, homepage, ICQ, city, and all of those. We're just going to change up the body post a little bit. Since our competitor backlinks, it's going to be both forums and a lot of blogs on it too. So I'm going to remove everything except for the link. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to SENuke and just spin a little snippet that's basically just going to say, hey, if you want some free Xbox Live codes, come check out this website. So I'm going to go spin that, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, I've just finished spinning it in SENuke. So I'm going to right click up here right before the link and choose paste, and then put a space between that and the URL. And what I spun is just really simple, no fluff. All it says is, hey, if you want to get a free Xbox Live code, then just check out this website. So let's test it and make sure everything looks alright. So you can see it says, hey, if you want some completely, totally free Xbox Live codes, then examine this out. And it says Xbox Live codes, and you can see it's linking to my xbox-live-code.com. And if it's going to be posting on forums, we've got the signature too. So that looks good. So I'm going to hit save in our project. Okay, and now we're ready to start posting. Now before we get to posting, there's one last setting we should take a look at. Go to options and advanced options, and you can see this one right here. It says if BB code is off on the current resource, convert it to HTML. And basically what that means is if you're posting on a blog, you put in the project, you put it in as BB code, but if it's on a blog, it's automatically going to convert it to HTML. So make sure this is checked, otherwise you're going to have a lot of broken links. So hit save, and now in links database, you can remember that we're on links database ID 11 now. So I'm going to go up to 11, and instead of our links list, we don't have that, we're going to do links list. And you can see down here at the bottom it says file from links list ID 11 loaded successfully, amount 1117, current position 17. So we're going to drag that to 0 there and hit start. Alright, I'm going to go over to reports here just to look at how it's going. And I'm going to pause it right now and come back when it's done posting. Alright, so as you can see right here, it's done posting. And it's kind of disappointing because there's only 29 successful posts. And the reason behind that is since I'm using Extremer 7 Beta 5, there's a lot of bugs, especially with the email. So when you're watching this video, and when you're doing this, you'll probably get much better results than I will. But I'm just going to stick with this for now. So to double check these 29 and make sure that they actually contain links, we're going to go up to Tools and Links Database Analysis. And for source, I'm going to click here, and we're going to go to Extremer. We're going to want to find the logs file and choose your project, which in this case is Xbox Live Codes. And scroll down, and we're looking for Success ID 11. And just to open. Destination, this is where we want the successfully posted and verified with links to go. So I'm going to go into the logs folder, and I'm just going to say Success ID 11 right there, and hit open. Okay, now I'm going to use the same search key phrases as last time, which is Xbox, Xbox Live Code, and maybe I'll add Xbox Live Codes, search and content, threads, 10 is fine, and hit start. Okay, so now it's done, and you can see right here, it says found 26. So that's 26 successful links. Now normally it should be more than that, and since like I said, I'm using the beta version and the email activation isn't working quite right. But when you're using it, you should probably get at least 10 times more than that. Alright, so now we're done with this blast, so I'm going to get out of this. And the last thing you have to do is hop over to your Extremer linking strategies. Let me zoom in here. And right here, under Extremer competitor backlinks blast, put just an 11 or success ID 11, so you know that that's 11. So when we come back next time, and next time we're going to do the highly targeted blog comments. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.